Hey there, ambassadors. We are 7 days away from launch. And I know that you have just received your email from us with your affiliate link so that you can help us promote and enter to win our biggest promoter contest. And we're going to get out there and make some waves. So I thought it would be helpful to you if I pop in here and just guide you through the assets folder that we have. We have tons of content in there for you to share in social media using your affiliate link and our hashtag hire the best. And that's going to get you going in our contest. So with no further ado, I am going to shrink myself down to size here. And I want to show you what's in the asset folder. So when you use the link www.tapthepotential.com/launch, it takes you right into our launch assets folder here. And today I just want to talk about the social media posts. I will do another video about email templates another day, but for today, let's just talk about social media because that's a great place for you to start. So we have tons of social media posts already created for you, and you could do 5 days worth of content with what we've got here if you wanted to set up a 5-day campaign, or you could just pull pieces of this and you could have even more than 5 days, or you could recycle. We have these organized by post 1, post 2, post 3, and so on. And then we have Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn copy for you. And we also have shortened Twitter copy for you. And as you'll see, the hashtag is already in there. So we want to be able to find you out there promoting. So it's really important that you use this hashtag and we can get in there and get behind your efforts, and I can find it and come and comment on your posts. So the easiest thing to do, let's just say you're going to do a Facebook post, is just go in there and copy that and go into Facebook and paste. And then you want to put your affiliate link in here. So your affiliate link is going to be tapthepotential.com/ your first initial and last name. So that is how you know what your affiliate code is. And that's how we are tracking your entries in our contest for biggest promoter, is we're watching to see the traffic that goes through these different links. Okay, and then we also have lots of images for you. And you know, images are really important on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter. We're all very visual. So you can just download an image. I've already done that. And to download from Google Drive, you just go over here and hit download, and it'll download. I have one already in my downloads, and then, I would go over here and just add that in from my downloads. There we go. And that post would be ready to go. So that's how you do it. I also want to show you one other thing that you can do. We have videos for you in the drive. So here's when you open up the launch assets folder, this is what you see. If you click on videos, right now we have, looks like 6 videos in there. Randy Hickman, our visual storyist, is busy today. He is working on lots of video content that we've got coming. So there'll be more videos coming into this folder as we go. But you could also download one of these and put it into a Facebook post if you wanted to do that, or LinkedIn as well. Okay, or Instagram. All right, so if you have any questions, if you have any trouble, you can just comment here in our ambassador group and we will jump right in and try to help you and get you out there and keep you in action with the promotion. Thank you so much for getting behind this. We are going to help entrepreneurs everywhere put an end to the hiring challenges. Bye for now.